on the way, or we're not on the way yet, but we're gonna go meet a friend.
We're like almost there.
Yeah. Okay, bye. This is Queen Us.
Bye.
Okay, we are currently off to Harry Potter World.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
We're about to go on the mummy ride.
Best ride. I'm so excited. Me too. It's my favorite ride. This is also my favorite ride.
Okay, bye-bye. Hi guys, Micah, say hi. I got Nutter Butters. We're at
What do you think? This one's cuter.
no. Oh yeah, we're at Angela's Crest right now. It's really pretty outside, but it's super, super, super cold. But yeah. Hi, we're in the karaoke room.
My block blast high score, 47,231.
Okay, ate that up. Actually, I deleted mine, so I don't remember what mine
Alright,
was.
fake.
No, I think it was higher than that though.
Alright, so fake.
Okay, bye guys. I'm having lunch with my mom today. Mommy, say hi. really cold outside. But I like the cold, honestly. It's like really, I don't know, I just like it better than the heat. But I'm gonna go get Shake Shack. Okay, hi guys, I'm at the gym. This is my friend Kate. Yeah. I'm at Trader Joe's. I came to Trader Joe's after the gym to do some grocery shopping, so we're watching Zootopia.
My ears. Can you guess who we are?
I can't believe you have to bend down. Why are the ears kind of massive?
Yeah. Mine are like perfect.
Anyway, fit check.
This is me, by the way. You couldn't tell.
Oh, I'm
She's that one. Ew.
Ew. What do you mean ew?
Ew.
That's mean.
Judy Hobbs banter.
No.
Because Nick vlogs ago. Only because I'm Nick vlogs ago, Judy Hobbs.
So, wait, we kind of like match the vibe too. The outfits are like matching. Okay. Bye guys. Hi guys, we're here to log in.
Yes.
Mike is here to log in. I'm about to leave her, but it's okay. She'll be fine.
I'm studying for bio.
I'm not studying.
Yeah.
But I'm getting work done though. Yeah. Hi guys. We are leaving.
Red Bull 1 of the night.
This is like after she
Actually, like the morning, I guess.
This is after she already had coffee. But we just
And
left.
tea.
Yeah, we just left about time. 'Cause we had to lock in. I still have so much work to do.
I have a lot of studying to do for bio.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be like that one like dental student TikToker that cracks open like 4 Red Bulls in a night.
I have a final tomorrow. I'm gonna die.
I also have a final tomorrow and I'm gonna die.
Well,
and it's super cold.
it is cool. Sporting the Le Seraphim hoodie. Okay.
Red Bull sponsor me.
Okay. Bye vlog. Wish us luck.